If you're interested in a career in the medical field, then our health science pathway is for you. In this pathway, students spend their class time with hands-on assignments that simulate medical procedures and situations.
I like it overall. I mean, it's the best if you want to be a future nurse or anybody in the medical field. My favorite thing is the hands-on activities that we do. It helps a lot, like the dummies, the stethoscope, the equipment. It's challenging, but it's worth it. It's a bumpy road, but you gain the stuff that you need to know.
CPR certification, things like that. I want to be a surgeon, so anything I can get before I go to med school will be a huge help. The people are nice. There's no bullying here. I think this pathway is good for anybody that wants to go into the medical field. If you don't want to go to the medical field, it's probably not worth it for you, but it's definitely worth it for me. You should know it's going to be a difficult road, but it's going to be very worth it.
I believe this pathway can help you a lot with your future, going into college, help you obtain some skills that you may need in the future. You can gain the skills that you need, you can gain social skills and learn how to do other things that you might not learn if you wouldn't in this class. I think it's really good to come into, especially if you are wanting to get a medical future. What you're getting into is not the easiest thing, but if you want it in your future, then you're gonna have to work hard and be dedicated to this class.
You're available to go to a lot of places. You're not just stuck in one spot. It's fun. It's worth the time. You got to be organized and just take your time.
Anyone who has even a small draw to healthcare would find benefit in this class. You don't have to want to do direct patient care and still find something that is beneficial to you, like if you want to be an x-ray tech or work in the lab. Everything here could help you with that pursuit. I like to do the skills with the students. They enjoy it the most. Just taking what we've done, reading, lecture, and putting it to good use is the best part of this class. Emergency procedures is probably the most fun. It's the most hands-on, the quickest to learn each skill, and then you can add a lot of skills together so that you can take care of a situation opposed to just one specific portion of the body. You could really help someone if you were the first person there at a wreck or something. Probably the most important part is medical terminology, but it's a lot of just remote memorization. It's not very exciting, but it's very important, and once you use it, it helps you in every single part of this pathway. If you finish, you can get certification as a state registered nurse's aide. You can get a certification as pharmacy tech. You can get certification as a patient care tech. We're discussing adding phlebotomy at some point. So I think there's lots of opportunity to employment quickly after graduation. We'd sure love to have you if you'd be interested. There's lots of job opportunities locally. If you plan on sticking around, it'll benefit you.